It's Saturday and I was chilling and I went to my mailbox and my geek gear arrived. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today I have my May geek gear box here. It's ready. I'm ready to open it. I'm super excited. I have not seen any spoilers and I don't even remember what was the clue last month. The clue was Hagrid. So I'm really excited to see what's in the box for this month for Hagrid. This is Geek Gear. This is a Harry Potter subscription box. A lot of you guys know my background is entirely Harry Potter things. If you didn't know, now you do. Everything in the background is Harry Potter related. So I do get these subscription boxes. I get this one every single month and it retails for around $40 USD. I think euros it's like 25, but I will leave my code down below. It's just a referral code. I don't make money off of this. I'm not an affiliate with them in any way, but if you do use my referral code, I get points to potentially get a future free box. And a few of you guys have used that code already, so I just wanted to say thank you to you guys because I'm getting close to getting a free box, which is always very exciting. But I will leave that down below if you guys are interested. I love getting this. I started getting it in February and it's literally one of my favorite things every month. So now let's crack into this box. So as always, I will be opening this guy for you guys first. There we go. So let's go. Is it magical? Can you see anything? Okay, let's see. There is a beautiful blue t-shirt on top. We haven't gotten a blue shirt yet. It looks Cornish pixie colored. So we're gonna pull this guy out. Oh, it's covered in worms. It is Cornish pixies, isn't it? Oh, sweet. Look at the design, you guys. It's Cornish pixies. And you guys voted a few videos back that you wanted me to try these on. So I'm gonna go put on this t-shirt and show you guys. So here is the shirt on. I think it's cute. This is, again, a medium. This is a unisex medium. The only thing about this is because it is like so printed. Like, can you hear that? That noise? It's a little stiff, like on the body. So it kind of feels awkward. But overall, I love the color of it, and I like this whole scene with the Cornish pixies, so I'm a fan. Also, I really like that it's blue because blue is my favorite color, and I'm a Ravenclaw, so like naturally I like blue. So I do like the design of this. I'm excited to wear this. Let's get back to the box. So they have a little card in here. It says packed with love and care by Jamie. I think he's packed my box before. I'm pretty sure, but thank you, Jamie. Ooh, okay, I see a pin. I have to pull the pin out. It says, "You're a wizard." That's really cute. That looks really, really nice. So that's a really nice pin. It just looks like a heart enamel. You're a wizard. I have a pin collection, a Harry Potter pin collection, so this will definitely be added. It's like a nice size. I really like this. This is cute. I like that. That's really cute. So there's something in here that looks like Hagrid's belt. It's this little box. Look how cute this little box is. It doesn't have anything written on it, which is amazing because in my last one they had stuff written on it. It sounds like something soft. What is this? In my last video I complained because they kept writing what everything was on their box. This has nothing written on it, so it's a complete mystery and I like that. So let's open this. I mean, I don't know what this is, so let's go. Cute! It's a lantern! Oh my god, it's Hagrid's lantern! Wow, this is just cute. This does not scream like Harry Potter to me, but it would look so cute in like a little Hagrid display. Oh my god, it's so cute. I look like I'm going to go serve out my detention in the Forbidden Forest. Is this glow in the dark? It looks like this might actually be glow in the dark. If so, even better. I will inspect, but it looks like glow in the dark paint. It's too bright in this room, I can't tell. I think it might be. This is really cute. I love this. I can't wait to like get shelves in here eventually. I'm just, you know, kind of broke, so. Wow, so cute. So far, so good. Okay, lots of worms. Ooh, the tea. So the tea is the Elixir of Life tea. Cool. It's blood orange infusion. It says apple, hibiscus, rose hip shells, citrus peel, and flavoring. It smells very blood orangey. Like, good. It smells very citrusy. It's really colorful in there too. I don't know. I'm not too big on fruit teas just because I like to drink my teas at night, and for some reason fruit and me at night just don't get along, but it does smell really good. I bet this would be really good iced. I know that's probably not like the proper way to drink this at all, but it would probably be very refreshing iced. We'll try it. I think it's cute. It has the little, you know, Philosopher's Stone on it because, you know, that's where the elixir of life comes from. It's cute. I don't know how it fits with the theme. I don't remember what the clues were for this box other than Hagrid. Okay, I see something with the G on it, and the G makes me think of Gringotts, and it's this cute little black box. It has nothing else written on it, just the G. Sounds solid in here. It is Gringotts. It is Gringotts. Oh, this is cool. It's my key for my Gringotts vault. Oh, beach. This is cool. So it says for vault 4001. Was that ever one that was said? Are all of these a different number? That would be cool. It's like a nice, this is like a nice key, you guys. So it is for Gringotts, I was right. And it looks really cool. What a cool little display piece. They really out here doing this, you guys. They really out here impressing me. I love it. I'm gonna have to put it, I have a little Gringotts with the white dragon display. I'm gonna have to put this near this because this is perfect. This is so nicely made. This feels like actual metal. That is cool. Okay, let's see. So there is a scroll in here. We get really nice prints in here, and it says on the outside that it is a licensed exclusive. It looks like a decree. Yeah, it is a decree. Let's see what decree this is. I actually don't have any of the decrees anywhere, but I really want some. I'll have to make sure to get a cool frame for this guy. Paper feels nice and sturdy. Okay, let's see. So it is Educational Decree number 82. All students will submit to questioning about suspected illicit activities. That's cool. It feels really nice and sturdy. I'm gonna have to get a cool picture frame for this. I like this a lot. I have been wanting some of the educational decrees to hang up. This is awesome. And then it looks like at the bottom we have the cheat sheet right there. And then it looks like one more print at the bottom, which is usually a license print. Oh, cute. It's in the same style. So we have a Love Potion print. And this is in the same style as the Always print that they sent a few months ago or a couple months ago. This is a licensed exclusive, and this is really nice. I'm gonna have to put it over there in that section where I put the Love Potion, where I put the Always one, because it's the same kind of like watercolored pastels. This will look really cool in like a potions display. Ooh, I like this. I like this print a lot. This is another one that I'm definitely going to be putting up. And then all that's left is the cheat sheet. So I think we got, how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including the shirt. 7 items in total. Yep, 7 items in total. Here is the cheat sheet on the inside. And then next month's hint is potions. Perfect. Freaking love everything about potions. I love it. So that was this month's Geek Gear box. This was the May Geek Gear unboxing, and I like everything. I think my favorite item actually might be, it's a toss-up honestly between the lantern, because I just think this thing is so cute, and the key. Both of these things scream Hagrid to me because I mean Hagrid's the one that takes Harry to his vault. So this is just so well made, and like it's just such a nice touch that I kind of want to pick the key, but I also just love this little lantern because when I see this I do think Hagrid. I think this screams a little less Harry Potter to me just because you can buy lanterns basically everywhere. But I mean, honestly, you could buy skeleton keys in a lot of places too, so whatever. But yeah, these two are definitely my favorite items. I just think they did such a good job on this box. I love these. These are things like you can't go and just buy in store or anything because they're like handmade items. I mean, they're often, you know, replicated after replicas, and I just think they add such a nice touch to my Harry Potter collection. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in getting your own Geek Gear box, definitely use my referral link down below so you can go ahead and get your own. I love getting these. If you guys have started getting these, let me know what your favorite item was this past month, and I will hopefully see all of you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!